Tips to remember things. Do you have trouble remembering why you walked into a room? So does about everyone else on the planet. Here are some techniques and tips to help you remember things you need to remember. First, make what you want to remember into a picture. For example, if you want to remember a doctor's appointment at 9 a.m. for the next day, picture your doctor holding a digital clock which is blinking 9 a.m. Visualize this picture several times. Many use this method to great advantage. Second, when trying to remember a number, make the numbers relate to something or someone that is connected to the number. If you want to retain the number 4635, you might think 1946 is the year your mom was born, and 35 is the age of your brother. That number will stick like a glue. Third, of course, there's always the handy-dandy notebook. Use a new, clean page each day and simply write down everything that has to get done on that day. The fun part is marking off each item as you complete it. Fourth, for some, writing the thing that they want to remember down several times will help them embed it into their brains. Fifth, another classic way to remember is the Mnemonic Device. In this method, you will make up an acronym that has words with first letters that match the list you are trying to memorize. Sixth, we would like to suggest our amazing pen camera as an excellent way to remember things. If you want to remember a site you visit or an item you are considering purchasing, you can use the pen camera to snap a picture you can refer to later. If you want to remember the goal your son made at a soccer game, you can record a video using the pen camera to watch at home. Find out more at our website at www.ronsamazingproducts.com. Don't forget,